Hey guys, welcome back. Yay! It's finally November and I got Boxycharm and I got their new premium box. As I was telling you in my last Boxycharm unboxing for October, they have a new box for November. It's called their premium box. It's $35, but I didn't have an option to just get that, so I also got the regular Boxycharm. So I paid $60 total, $25 for the Boxycharm, $35 for the premium. I'm super excited to show you guys everything that came in these boxes. So we'll do it, Boxycharm versus Boxycharm Premium. This will give you a good inside look at both boxes to see if these are something you might like to subscribe to, maybe just one, maybe both. So enough jibber jabber, I am just gonna show you everything that came in these boxes. I'm gonna start with the regular box. Yay. So the regular Boxycharm box, let's get this opened. I cannot wait. I saw a couple spoilers for this one and I was super excited. I saw one spoiler for the premium box and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have got to have it. As always, you get a little flyer in here. I don't want to look at that yet because I don't want to see any of the products. Okay, I'm already seeing, oh. So I guess they're going to want to start doing concealers and foundations and letting you shade match, and then they'll send you your shade, I think. So I'm assuming that's why I got these samples. This is a Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer. That's a really cool concept because I've never seen any other box do that. So I think that's great. It says it's long wearing, medium coverage, velvet, soft texture, natural flawless finish, great for all skin types, and vitamin infused moisturization. The next product is just two of these Starry Eyes Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Masks. I've never heard of this brand. Warms up in 30 seconds and they last for up to 20 minutes. So two of those. And this is one of the spoilers I saw, a Dose of Colors Liquid Lip. I thought that was really great. This is in the shade Date Night. This kind of looks like more of a red, and I don't wear too many reds. Yeah, that's a pretty red shade, so I don't know if I'll end up wearing this. I haven't tried this formula yet, but I did buy truffle in this formula to try, but I just haven't tried it yet. So we'll see if I like the formula. If I do, this could be my red lipstick. So I definitely wish that was a nude shade, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go on and see if there's in the quiz, I think you can take a quiz or customize. I want to see if I can maybe let them know I'm not into red for lips. Okay, the next thing is Farsali. Oh, awesome! I have not tried this brand, and there's several products that intrigue me that I really want to try from this brand, and this is the Rose Gold Face Mist. Skin Mist. It's 24 karat gold infused. Hydrate, prime, and set. Yay, I am so excited to try this. It's a 4-in-1 wonder for the skin. It hydrates with rose hip seed oil. And it also can be used as a primer to grip makeup in place, or a setting mist to make your makeup last longer. Oh, look at that bottle. That is so, oh my god, I'm so excited to have this. This is a great product. I've heard a lot of YouTubers talk about this product and really like it. And then this was the other spoiler that I saw. I think, so this is Dominique Cosmetics, which I have not tried any of her products. Celestial Storm, or Celestial Thunder palette. I've not tried anything from her, but a lot of YouTubers have reviewed her eyeshadow palettes and seem to really enjoy her formula. So I'm super excited to try this out. But I almost don't think this is one of her regular palettes. I'm wondering if she made this palette just for this box, because I feel like this is like a cardboard material. And I have not seen this palette. And I usually watch most of her videos when she has eyeshadow palette releases. So I'm wondering if this was just for this box or if this is an actual palette that she sells on her website. Really bright shades. So you have 5 matte shades and a few shimmer shades. That's really pretty. The pans are very big. Oh, this was the other spoiler. So I saw the spoiler for this and the Dose of Colors, and I was like, $25, you really can't go wrong. She's a, fairly new brand. And Dose of Colors is a great brand. Farsali is a really good brand too. One more product. Okay, so this is the Juice Beauty, which is Gwyneth Paltrow's brand. Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Okay. I think her brand is vegan. I'm definitely cruelty free, but I think most of her products are vegan. Okay. Or organic. Her products are organic. I'm not sure if this is vegan or not. And that's what the little container looks like. That's cute. So those are all the products that came in this box. So again, the eye masks and the Juice Beauty eye treatment. And then I have to read and see if I'm supposed to tell them what shade I am so they send me the full size. So that would actually be 6 products. And the Farsali, the eyeshadow palette, and the liquid lip. So let's look at the pamphlet now. Okay, so it says complexion. There's actually a typo on that. That's funny. Complexion customization. How does it work? Swatch the Becca or Pretty Vulgar complexion pack in your November box. Okay, so it was either this one or Becca. Visit the website. Let us know what shade matches best. And then receive complexion products better matched to you in a future boxy. Okay, so this is, I guess, them trying it out and getting responses so that they know for future boxes what shade matches work for you. That's cool. Again, I think that is a really great idea. All right, let's go over the prices. So the palette, Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigments. Okay, so the glitter foils, and this palette retails for $35. The Juice Beauty eye treatment retails for $50. Wow. And then the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick retails for $18. And then the Starry Eyes, the 2 little pop mask eye masks here retail for $10. And then the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist retails for $39. 85, 90, 103, 123, 153, 160. So $162 retail value of all the products that I received, not including this little sample. So that's great. I'm especially excited for these 2 products, which alone are well over the value of this box. So for $25, yeah, I'm basically, you know, I'm getting really great makeup and saving so much money. So that's everything in the regular Boxycharm box. If that's something, if you're considering this box and want to know if you should go for this one, you want premium, do you want to upgrade to the Boxy Luxe every month? That's why I think it's a great idea that YouTubers, you know, show everything that they got, because it definitely helped me and that's how I found out about Boxycharm for one, and it definitely helps me to decide, you know, which boxes I want. So now we're going to get into the premium box, which I'm so excited for. I still really want to check if the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette sells on her website. But I imagine if she made it just for this box, it would say that. So I'm sure it does. I just don't remember seeing it. That's all. There's a code in here. Save 30% on Natasha Denona Safari Palette, Sunset Palette, or Eyeshadow Palette 28. That's pretty cool. I would be most interested in the Safari Palette. 30%. Those palettes are like $129. That's pretty good savings. I don't know if anyone can use the code, but it's right where my finger is. You can. If it doesn't show up on video, I'll put it in the description box. All right. All right. You guys ready? You ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. Here's the Boxycharm Premium. So this one is $35. Oh yeah, this is the spoiler that I saw that I was like, are you serious? How are they putting this in here? How? Just how? I really... Okay, this is a newer, this product didn't come out that long ago. It blows my mind. So this product retails, I know how much it retails for without looking because I almost bought it. And now I'm so glad I didn't. Natasha Denona in a Boxycharm. They're getting better. This is the time. Now is the time to join Boxycharm. I couldn't be more excited. This is the Bloom Blush and Glow palette. Are you kidding me? This is a newer released product. I believe this was released in 2019. So this is not that old of a product. So it's not like they're just sending, you know, stuff that nobody buys anymore or anything like that. Look at how pretty this little palette is. That is so pretty. So this retails for $55 on its own. I paid $35 for this box. Oh my God, that's so pretty, you guys. This is a Blush and Glow palette. These two are cream. So there's this little plastic cover lid for them. So these are your two blushes, and then these are your two glow products, highlighters. And the top two are cream formula, and the bottom two are powder formula. How beautiful. How beautiful. This alone is worth this box. And I haven't even seen the rest of the products in here. This is great. I'm so glad I got the email for the waiting list for this, and I signed up immediately because I had seen this spoiler. And I got it, and I actually got my boxes. This video is up sooner than usual because I got my boxes way earlier than I usually do. I got it on Friday, November 8th. I usually wait until at least halfway through the month to get these. So that's just an extra bonus for me this month. I'm so excited to see the rest of the products. Maybe I should just grab one thing at a time and not even look. Okay, this little jar, I have not heard of this brand. It looks like skincare. QMS Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream. Okay. I've not heard of this brand. Has anyone heard of this brand or tried this product? Let me know if you have. What's this? Oh, okay. We got tools, brushes, Boxycharm. It just says Boxycharm. Where are they making their own brushes? So there's this little pouch with some, yeah, it's their own brushes. Okay. I don't know. The handles definitely feel cheap to me. They're soft. They're very, very dense. There's nothing in here talking about them, so I'm sure that'll be in the little flyer. I don't know about these, to be honest, but I guess you never know until you actually use them. Box. Okay, Kapari. A lot of people really like their lip balm. And this is a coconut rose toner to refresh and balance. And this is supposed to tighten pores. So there's that. So what do we have? 1, 2, so that's 4 products. This is getting pretty empty. 5, 6, there's 2 more things. Okay, Dragon Beauty. I've heard of Dragon Beauty, but I've never tried it. I believe she's a YouTuber. And this is a skin perfecting potion. Okay. I'm not seeing any good ingredients in the front of the list. Well, this is interesting. What? That's what it looks like. I'm confused. It looks like, I don't know what it looks like. What? Shake well before you, skin perfecting potion. I am not sure about this at all. I don't know how to use it. Okay, the last product. Okay, Becca. We have some Becca Glow Gloss in Champagne Cream. Becca's glosses are very good. And that's definitely a shade that I would wear. Okay, so this box, the Natasha palette, makes it worth it because this retails for $55. The box was $35. And the Becca gloss, it's a good gloss, you know. So these two, the rest of the products I'm really unsure about. I can't say I'm disappointed that I purchased this box though because of this palette, but are they going to do that every month? Have one, you know, one all-star product and then the rest are kind of mediocre? I don't know. The brushes again do feel very cheap to me. The handles anyway. I don't like the idea of them making their own brushes and putting them in here. Not a fan of that. Kapari is a very, you know, reputable, good brand. But this, I'm really not sure about. And then, I've never heard of this brand. Hopefully it's good. Let's check out the prices. So, the Blush and Glow palette, as I said, retails for $55. The Intensive Eye Care by QMS Medi Cosmetics. What? Oh my god, I did not expect that. This retails for $150, you guys. Maybe that's what, I don't know. Please tell me about this brand if you know about it. $150. All right, we're gonna give this one a try for sure. See how it's worth it. But if I like it, then I'm screwed because then I'm stuck spending $150. No, just kidding. I probably wouldn't. Okay, the Dragon Beauty. I have to read about this. Skin perfecting potion. So works well on skin tones, helps conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, blemishes. It's infused with a light reflecting, mattifying powers to brighten and blur. It diffuses imperfections and it creates a photo filtered fantasy in real life, IRL. Saturated with vitamin E, vitamin A. It's offers fully customizable light to full coverage. So it's like a concealer? Wait, but this is a dark shade. It looks orange. It would definitely be too dark for, I don't know. Maybe it's like a color corrector more type of situation. We'll have to see. But anyway, that retails for $25. And then the Becca Glow Gloss retails for $22. So let's total this up. We're looking at $230, $255, $260, $320, $342 is the retail value of this box. Brushes, I could definitely do without. I know I sound like a broken record, but that's just, I'm a little disappointed with Boxycharm after I was just raving about them, saying how they're getting so much better, which they are. I mean, they are, but make it all good. Don't think because you have a 5-star power product here, you can cut corners here. That's all I'm saying. But I'm still happy. I'm glad I got the boxes. It's obviously worth it with this and the Becca Gloss. And I mean, Campari's a good brand. This freaking eye care, but this eye care, I cannot believe this retails for $150. I definitely did not expect that. Let me know in the comments and like this video if you want me to start doing a video every few months reviewing products that I've gotten in my Boxycharm boxes that I've tried out, so that you know what I think of the products, because I think that would be beneficial. Because, I sit here and I show you everything in the boxes, and that's great. Gives you an idea if you're interested in the boxes, but at the same time, it'd be nice to know down the road how some of the products that I was iffy on or, unsure about, if they performed well, how they did, and it'd be nice to know about that in the future. So let me know, guys. I would love it if you thumbed up this video, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video. It's going to be a Sephora haul. I made a purchase, and then the Sephora VIP sale came, which is actually going on right now as I'm filming this. So then I made another purchase. I'm going to show you guys all that stuff also. And a lot of holiday kits are in there, so you get a feel for some of the stuff that's come out for the holidays. So stay tuned for that video, and I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye.